If you're in the market for a Mercedes-Benz crossover but you need something with more than 5 seats, you're not really spoiled for choice here. You're down to just 2 choices, and that's the GLE 300D and the GLS 350D, neither of which are what you'd call easily within reach. You see, the GLE 300D starts at about 5.7 million pesos. Now, thankfully, there is a more affordable alternative now. Now, this is the GLB 200 AMG line, and it's the least expensive 3-row crossover from Mercedes-Benz. But before we get to the price, what does the GLB 200 AMG line have to offer? Well, as mentioned, this has the sportier kit, so you get a rather interesting diamond pattern grille at the front, along with high-performance LED headlights. And just to add a little more zing to the front end, there's also a chrome splitter right down there. It wouldn't be an AMG line if it didn't come with chunky wheels, and this GLB doesn't disappoint. It rides on 19-inch alloys on all corners. Now, other highlights, you also get roof rails, a little more chrome garnishes on the side, and a diffuser over at the back bumper. And there's another thing you should know about the GLB. Now, it has something called an active bonnet. Now, what it does, should an erring pedestrian cross your path, this panel tilts upwards to mitigate any injuries. Now, under the hood of the GLB 200 is a 1.3-liter engine. Now, because of the extra boost, it makes 163 horsepower and 250 Newton meters of torque. It then shifts with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. And if you're curious about fuel economy, Mercedes-Benz claims you can get about 17.2 kilometers per liter in mixed driving conditions. Now, here in the GLB, you get this huge panel that houses both your instrument cluster and your infotainment screen. Of course, the instrument cluster is digital, and you can change whatever's displayed in front of you, and you can also change the look to whatever you fancy. Now, you can control all of that with this BlackBerry-looking button on the steering wheel. Now, moving to the infotainment system, it houses your entertainment options, your vehicle options, and even various vehicle information and status. Now, you can control it either by touch or with this control panel or touch panel right down here. Now, of course, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard. This is a Mercedes-Benz after all. Now, this model, being part of the new Mercedes-Benz lineup, comes with a new Linguatronic system, their voice command system. And all you have to do to summon it is say, "Hey Mercedes."
How may I help you?
Now, here at the back seat, you get a cargo net right behind the front seats, your own air conditioning vents, and more USB-C ports down there. You also get your own reading light, and the armrest features more cup holders. Also, these seats slide forward and backward, and these backrests can go down 3 ways, like so. Now, setting and stowing the third row seats in the GLB is a pretty straightforward affair. All you have to do is pull this strap to set it, and pull this red tab to put it back down. So, how much is Mercedes-Benz's least expensive 3-row crossover? Well, this one retails for 3,890,000 pesos, and for that, you get something that's kitted out, has seats for 7, and of course, has that prestigious 3-pointed star. This has been Undressing with me, Anton, and if you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And while you're at it, you could like us on Instagram and Twitter as well. Thanks for watching.